Hey everybody, this is Mark from Mx3 with your Mx3 Crypto Market Watch. So there's been a lot of activity on the market, the crypto market, for the past 30 days in September, and we want to jump right into it, take a quick look at it because there's been a lot of activity that's been going on in the crypto market. So we'll bring it up here. Right now, there's been a lot of activity going on. Looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, there's been a lot that's been going on. As I mentioned in the past, I do not believe that Bitcoin will drop below the $18,000 mark that it dropped earlier this year. Right now, it is hanging in there right around the $19,000 mark here. So it has dipped. It continues to fluctuate just as all cryptocurrencies do. It will continue to fluctuate, but I do not believe it may dip below $18,000 for the remainder of the year. I want to update you on that statement because I do believe there's a market adjustment coming sometime around November, December 2022. It really depends on whether the market adjustment will be adjusting upwards, where cryptocurrency will start to increase in value, or it will adjust downward, where cryptocurrency will begin to decrease. So it's going to have an adjustment. It's going to have a fluctuation. I believe it's going to happen November, December of this year, 2022. So I just wanted to make you aware of that adjustment that's coming up. So you will be aware of it and you will be able to make your own adjustment and investing. But right now, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is hanging in there right around the $19,000 mark. Ethereum is holding steady at around $1,300, $1,200, between $1,200, $1,300 mark right now. Ethereum had much activity in the month of September 2022. As you may or may not know, Ethereum just completed what's called the merge. It's been in the works for years, and Ethereum has just finally completed the merge. Give you a little bit more information about the merge. Ethereum, which powers a $30 billion universe of DeFi apps and exchanges, has transitioned from energy-intensive proof-of-work mining to a 99.95% more efficient proof-of-stake system to verify transactions. So that's the merge. Basically, Ethereum has transitioned from proof-of-work mining to proof-of-stake mining, which is much more efficient than the previous proof-of-work. So that's the big merge that happened. There was much activity with Ethereum after that merge took place on September 15th. Quite a few investors, they were aware of the merge happening. Quite a few investors sold Ethereum in order to take advantage of that. Many other investors, they bought Ethereum to take advantage of that because they saw the value in Ethereum and believed that the value would increase. Those two sets of investors offset each other. That's why you did not see a large fluctuation, a price increase in Ethereum once the merge was completed. Investors were selling and investors were buying at the same time, large amounts of investors. That's the reason why there was no big adjustment in price for Ethereum at that time. But we can take a quick look at Ethereum. Let's take a little bit more detailed look at Ethereum. So right now it is right around $1,300 mark. And I believe it should still stay around that mark. And this is within the past 24 hours. As you can see, it dipped and it's gone back up. Let's take a look at the past month, the past 30 days. Let's see. September 12th, 13th, 14th. The merge took place September 15th here. And the price was at $1,592 the day that the merge took place. So as you can see, it has dipped. it has dipped quite a bit. It's gone down to 1,500, and as I mentioned, right now it's hanging in there right around 1,200 right now, 1,300. So it's dipped, and we anticipate Ethereum to regain that value and come back up and rebound. So it's still hanging in there. It still hasn't dropped very much, but it's still there. Not only that, I have talked to some viewers that mentioned that we always talk about how to invest in cryptocurrency and to make sure that you do your due diligence when researching cryptocurrency in order to find out if you should invest in a certain cryptocurrency or not. One of the things that we mentioned as part of that due diligence is to read the white paper on that particular cryptocurrency. The white paper gives detailed information about that particular cryptocurrency, and that's how you can find out whether you like to invest in that cryptocurrency or not. But one thing that some viewers have mentioned is that we mentioned the white paper, talked about the white paper, but we never told about how to find the white paper for cryptocurrency. So I wanted to show you a quick view on how to find a cryptocurrency. You can do it right here from Crypto Compare. We just scroll down here. We'll use Ethereum as a sample. Right here, there's a link for the website, Ethereum website. Click on the link. We'll go here to the cryptocurrency website. And it gives information about Ethereum, of course. We're going to scroll down. What is Ethereum? Their financial system. Talks about the wallet. And we want to scroll down to the bottom of the screen. And right here under Learn, there's a link here for Ethereum white paper. And once we can click on that, it brings up the Ethereum white paper. This gives detailed information about Ethereum. Next generation smart contract and decentralized application platform. Introduction to Bitcoin and existing concepts, gives history, gives you a history lesson of the cryptocurrency, Bitcoin as a state transition system. So it goes, and this is the agenda for the white paper. So you can read about all the topics that are here for the white paper, or if you want to just jump down, because it basically gives you a history of Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency. You can jump down to Ethereum here to get right into the crux of what you're looking for, which is Ethereum. The history of Ethereum, Ethereum accounts, exactly what is Ethereum. So yeah, it goes deep into what that particular crypto is, what it stands for, what its goals are, what it hopes to achieve, exactly what it does. So that's white paper. Every cryptocurrency has a white paper that you can go into, take a look at, get more information on that particular cryptocurrency, and decide whether you like to invest in it or not. And it gives really good information. Let's jump back over to the market. Okay, we took a look at Ethereum. Let's take a look back at the main screen. As we mentioned, Bitcoin is hanging out right around $19,000 right now, Ethereum 1,300. And lo and behold, there's Chiliz back on the list. We saw Chiliz on the list, I think it was last month or a month before last, that Chiliz popped up there. Never heard of Chiliz before, and they popped up and they're still doing pretty good. Let's change this back to USD. Yeah, it looks like Chiliz is doing pretty good. Taking a look at the chart, they have not gone down at all. If anything, they've progressed and gotten even better. The value has increased. Let's take a look at our 1 month chart since we last looked at it. Right here around August 26th, it did dip down to 20 cents. And right now it's up to 24 cents. So it's been hanging in there. It's dipped down to 18 cents. Looks like that's about as far as it's dipped. Yep, down to 18 cents. So it's still hanging in there around 24 cents. This would be a, I think this would be a good cryptocurrency to kind of monitor and see what it does. Because again, it's been hanging in there. And actually it's up right now 7.38%. So it's doing fairly well. It's still there. But again, you can always click here to the cryptocurrency's website, and it'll bring you to their website, and you can learn a lot more about what that particular cryptocurrency is for. World's leading blockchain fintech provider for sports and entertainment. That's interesting. That is really interesting. And you can see logos for UFC, other sports teams that are here. So that's really interesting. But again, Chili's is still hanging in there. Chili's is still doing very well. It's dipped down to 18 cents, but it's gone back up. Right now it's at around 24 cents. And as you can see, September 19th, it was up to 25 cents. So if this is a cryptocurrency you would be interested in, it seems like it may be a steady one. Let's take another quick look at the main screen with the other cryptocurrencies. So right now it does show for the past 7 days, XRP and Chili's are the only 2 cryptocurrencies in the green for the past 7 days. Those are the only 2 that has been positive for the past 7 days. Crypto Compare gives XRP a C+, and Chili's a B on their performance for the past 7 days. So it looks like they're hanging in there, they're doing fairly well. XRP has increased almost 11% over the past 24 hours. So that's very good. Chili's has increased over 7%. So it's doing fairly well also. Just looking at the different cryptocurrencies, as we mentioned, is they dipped, they fluctuated. It looks like Ethereum, because of the merge, it has dipped considerably, but has made a rebound also. Yeah, it's made a rebound also. For the past 7 days, Crypto Compare gives it a grade of B+, so that's fairly well. That's pretty good. Other cryptocurrencies are still hanging in there. I see no indications of a crypto crash right now. No indications at all. Again, as I mentioned, there will be a crypto market adjustment. And this coming up November, December. But again, it depends on whether the market will adjust up or the market will adjust down. It depends on several factors. You have the recession, inflation, gas prices. There's elections that are coming up. That will be a big determining factor. It just depends. There's a lot of things that's gonna weigh on whether the market increases or decreases, but I do believe it's gonna be somewhere around November, December 2022. So just be aware of that. Okay, and I think that's about all we have. Be sure to like and subscribe to catch the next MX3 Crypto Report. And as always, keep it crypto.
Tomorrow can be a better day if you're looking to get some figures for better pay. Invest in yourself, man, that is the only way. Get your clout up, 100K followers. How you do that, man? By not being a follower. How you get there, man? Hustling and bustling. Then you spice it up, put some